examples of classification of objects. So children, in the previous video you have learned what are the characteristics of objects. On the basis of characteristics, how we can classify the objects and make different groups of them. You also learned that this process of grouping based on characteristics is called classification. In this video, we will see some examples of classification in which we will group objects based on their characteristics. It is morning and Chotu's mother is soaking clothes. Chotu comes to help his mother.
Mom, what are you doing?
Son, I am separating clothes before washing them.
May I help you with this?
Yes, why not? Can you put different clothes in different buckets based on their color?
Okay.
Chotu looks at the clothes and puts all the shirts in one bucket, all the pants in the second bucket, and all the saris in the last bucket. Seeing this, his mother starts laughing. Chotu does not understand why his mother is laughing. Can you tell us why Chotu's mother laughed? Did Chotu separate the clothes properly?
Mom, why are you laughing? Did I do something wrong?
Yes, son. I had asked you to separate all the clothes on the basis of their color, but you have separated them based on their types.
Oh, let me do it correctly now. Chotu takes all the clothes out of the buckets and then puts all the white clothes in one bucket, blue clothes in the second bucket, and all the red clothes in the third bucket. In this way, on the basis of the characteristic of clothes, that is on the basis of color, Chotu has classified and made different groups. Can you tell what is this process called? Yes, you got it right. It is called classification. Mom, I am feeling very hungry. Let's go and eat something. Okay, son. But nothing is ready yet. Let me quickly make dal and rice. Okay, Mom. I will also come to the kitchen with you. Chotu and his mother go to the kitchen. On the shelf in the kitchen, a box of dal is placed behind the rajma box. As Chotu's mother picks up the dal box, both rajma and dal boxes accidentally fall from her hand, and both dal and rajma get mixed. Oh, dal has mixed with rajma. Chotu, can you help me separate dal and rajma? Yes, Mom, I will help you do this.
Chotu then starts putting dal in one bowl and rajma in another bowl. So children, can you tell me what Chotu is doing? Yes, you people are absolutely right. He is classifying dal and rajma on the basis of their color and size and grouping them into two separate bowls.
Here you go, Mom. Dal and rajma are separated.
Very good, Chotu. Thank you. Now let me quickly make dal and rice for you.
Okay, Mom. Till then, let me go and call everybody else to eat.
So children, did you enjoy seeing the examples of classification? So that's all for today. In this video, we have learned how we can classify objects based on their characteristics like color and shape, and thus how to create different groups of them. I hope you have enjoyed and understood this topic properly. Bye, friends.